Oh, okay. Uh, oh, okay. Uh, hold on, let me figure something out. Just a tiny bit. Alright, let's just put this here to just. Uh, okay, I did just that. I think that should be done. Yeah. Okay. Alright. That's all done. Let. Alright. Alright. So where was I? Where was we last time? Alright. Last time we did some basic stuff. So we look at the Pong thing, the Pong game, the test Pong game that was on the assets library project, and use that as the basis for just a basic game. I'm just here to like review. I'm just here to like see how Godot. How would you code stuff in Godot, right? It's Godot. I keep forgetting that it should be called Godot and not Godot. Right. Sorry. We made this. I control with WASMD, and then we can grab the coin. Yeah, that's very poorly drawn, but like this is just a test. So whatever. So we have coin. We can hit it to gain points, and this is the points. And then yeah, every time we collect a coin, it goes somewhere else, and we get extra points. So that's basically it. Also, by the way, there's a border here, so I can if I'm pressing S, which is supposed to make me go down, but I'm not going down because there's a border also here and also here. So yeah, there's a border on all four directions, and other than that though, that's the game so far. But of course, if we look at our goal, we only have this two, score and coin generation. Um, this main goal, which I guess we're gonna put day one here. Day one. That was the last stream, which is also kind of test stream, just to test the waters a bit. So if you want to check that out, and if you haven't, you know, I feel free to do so. So there's day two now, which is technically not exactly the day after day one, but you know, I have a rest day, right? So the main goal here, I guess, is to have the enemy generation is generation plus health, with the comment that actual generation. So the coin, if you haven't noticed, the coin is just when it hits the player. We can look at the script here. If the coin, if coin hits the player, specifically when just a player enter the area of the coin will just change to a random position, add the score, and change the score text to the current score. But like, that's it. That's how the coin works. There's no like actual coin generation that is done here. The coin didn't generate. There's no new coin. It's just the same old coin, just teleporting all over the place. Right. But we want to change that. Like before, I am not doing this by looking at documentation. That's for later, when I want to like specifically know which one's which. That's hexagonal mode. Let's look at some hexagonal chest. Movement is equal to 3D performer. Level of detail. Let's look at some game jam template. This is potentially nice. I'm also like I think I forgot to do to say this, but I'm probably so there's like a big game jam, I think made by GameMaker's Toolkit on itch.io on I think the 7th of July. Might actually try doing that. I have been using Unity, and using Unity for a game jam. I actually have made several games for a game jam using Unity. I guess making a game jam with Godot this time probably is a very interesting one. So yeah, we made no one. This is a very interesting one. I'm gonna keep. I'm just gonna download it. It's I'm not going to research it now, but project path is going to be D. Same. What can Godot? Create folder. Call it jam template. Okay, and then select current folder. Okay, install. Okay, oops. That I probably shouldn't go for the edit one. What the fuck? Okay, there we go. Oh, this is the resources. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Dialogues, keybind. So there's a keybind and there's a world. So player. Okay. I'm not here to do that. Exit the editor. Yes. It's going to be important later. Maybe we'll look that up. Yeah, maybe I'll look that up later. But before that, we are going to look at I guess this with the ones with the shooting. We want to actually generate something. That generation probably have a very minimal uh, bullet shower. Oh, let's actually look at this. Manage large amounts of objects using low-level servers. Hold on. I don't think I'm going to go that crazy right now. WebSocket. Um, hold on. Plugins demo. Oh, this is Pong again. Oh wow, there's a lot of Pong here. Input buffer. Asteroid. Hold on. Oh, this doesn't have projectiles. Alright. So I don't think we're. I think. Let's go back to one. I think there is. This is a 2D one though. Hold on. I think I saw the. This, I think. Yeah, there's like bullets, yeah. Oh, why did I press that? Oh, it's a GitHub. Okay, let's just download this. And yeah, let's go documents. What's the name? Turret Madness? Turret Madness. Okay, let's select current folder. And let's actually create. Install and edit. Okay. Let's try playing that game then. Oh. Hold on. What? Oh, the W is okay. W means forward. There's no. Okay, so we have the. Oh, oh no. Okay, right. That's fun. Uh, let's look at the code. So, oh, we go the preload. There's a preload here. So we randomize. Enter 3. Player. There's a scene. There's a player scene. What does this do? Let's go to 2D. No, on. Huh? No, the scene is a kinemat. Oh, okay. So this is the same, but like the instead of doing. This is get view for the track sites X, get view for this is for getting this instead of this is like get view for the size dot x and y. Okay. This is, and that's like half of it. This is for so that the position is in the middle, and like this is on hit, health change, emits signal, health change. Where's the health change? Okay, and that's the player, and for main I guess there's like a health change and just like the signal. Okay. So there's a signal and okay. Let's look at the this. bullet underscore scene dot instance. So we have an extra scene for the bullet. So we have the position, bullet dot linear velocity, movement dot vector, bullet dot connect. Huh. Let's look at the bullets then. Let's go on the screen and look at the bullet. So physics process delta. This is a move and collide, and if collision emit hit, okay, emit signal hit. So wait, we can and then click here for now. Alright, so we can connect to the end. So I guess I kind of get it. So we want to create a new scene, but with the root node not being a scene, but a kinematic node 2D should be collision object 2D, specifically one of the physics body, kinematic. So this is called this is the enemy, and for the enemy we are going to have a child node, the same child node that is a sprite. Where's the sprite? And a collision shape 2D. There we go. And let's make the shape just a square rectangle. There we go. So we have the collision shape, which is a rectangle, and a sprite. Let's make a sprite then for the enemy. Pain. So Godot, let's just open this icon, and let's file save as enemy, and okay, I don't care about transparency. Now let's edit this just a bit. Red and brown, and also yellow, and then we put the brush and like sing, and then sing, and then sing, and then sing, and then there's a giant monobrow that is angry. There we go. That's our enemy. Right, let's go back. So save, call it enemy dot screen is sure, and let's put the texture just a load enemy. There we go. Let's look at the 2D. Yeah, amazing. So the for collision shape, let's look at the transform. Let's just yeah, and then we go okay, so we have the enemy. Just we're going to need a script create, right? So um hmm so we got the game, right? Also, let's look at the game. The main script also have like this enter 3. What happens when enter 3? So we just had a timer, and if the timer is less than that, we go next thread delays 10. Okay, we're gonna have I guess we're gonna have so let's have just delete self deal. So we want the enemy to just move in one direction, at least this current enemy to just move in one direction, be it like left, right, up and down, and it moved from one of those 4 positions. It starts from one of those 4 positions, and when it reaches the end without touching the player, it will just delete itself. So does if it touch the player, player will lose a health and it will delete itself. So that's kind of what we're going on. So we have the move and collide. So if collision, let's just look at the bullet explode. Huh. Oops. Yeah. So we just explode. If collision pass. If collision explode. Wait, what? Oh, I keep pressing the. Where's the explode here from? Oh, Q free. Okay. That's collision. Also, if x lebih kecil daripada if x is smaller than, let's just do a pass right here. Or is there bigger than 124? Oh, what's the thing again? The player movement position. There we go. Position.x, position.x, right? And we copy this, put an or, and this. Y is smaller than 0 or y is bigger than 600. If any of this happens, the same thing happens, which is Q free. We're going to have the health system later. But so yeah, that's kind of like the enemy, I guess. Let's look at the game. Right, we have the ready. Let's have a timer. For enemy timer equals I don't know. Let's do 2 seconds. Enemy time is 0. So we have the func process of delta, but instead of passing, obviously, we are going to add time, enemy time, sorry, enemy time equals enemy time plus delta. And if enemy time is bigger or equal to enemy timer, this we put the instance, right? Let me look at how do the instance work. Yeah, let's put a variable. So variable enemy equals so we put the enemy scene. So we have var enemy scene equals, let me look at how do you get that? Preload, there we go. Preload res wrong button. Instead of rats and then ras bullets, we just ras and put the big A, and for enemy equals enemy scene dot instance. There we go. So, and then we put the enemy position. So this is a random. So we have we're going to also we have a randomizer. Randomize. How do you put this? How do you put a randomized? What's this? Okay, if acceptable forbidden area. Okay, this is a very check, but we do not need this. We just need because we want to make the enemy came from 0, so either 0 or 1 or 2 or spawn or either on 0 on the edge. So we want to the enemy to be, hold on, let me look at this. I want the enemy to be from any of these 4 lines. Spawn right there. Oh. Yeah. So I want the enemy to be from the front lines to make it easy for now. And thus, let me look at the game script. So we have this enemy. We go instead of factor 2, which is we want to have a random number first, and depending on that number we will have var r and d. Let's just have a var r and d equals, what's the rand range. There we go. Rand range from float to float. I'm just gonna say rand I range. There we go. Let me think for a bit. This should be from 0 to 3. It's inclusive, right? So if it's mod 2, so alright. So what's this randi? Did I not have? Oh, this is from oh, hold on. Let me just look at the coin. Oh, so we have to have this. Also, do we need to rng.randomize? Yeah. Let's put randomize here just in case. This is safe. And then let's have this randomize, and that rng.rand. There we go. So we have a 0 to 3, and the way I'm going to do this was this. Who's the enemy? Okay, so the way I'm going to do this is to transform to hold on. Yeah, so if it's 0 or 1, we will have it from left and right. So we will have two sections. Let's just, can we, how do you, is it hashtag? Yeah. Alright, so hashtag, so if it's 0, it's coming from the left. One equals right. Let's make it a bit easier to see. 2 is so left is like the 0, so 2 is up and then 3 is down. So yes, this is how we are going to make this happen, I guess. So from 0, so this is going to be from the left and going right. So let's actually have two positions. So var x what's the xp, like x pos, that x position equals this should be a random position if it's lower than 2, and actually no, this is okay, if it's 0 it should be on 0. If it's 1, it should be, hold on, equals 0, and then if yeah, if it's over 1, RND is over 1, xp equals just a random, xp becomes a random number, rand range, actually rng dot rand I range from 0 to 1024. So yeah, if rnd equals 1, just xp actually no, instead of that we're gonna go with rnd. There we go. rnd times 1024. So what this means, if it's 0, it'll become 0. If the RND is 0, it will become 0. If it's 1, it will become 1024. And if it's not, if it's 2 or 3, it will be a range between 0 to 1024, because it'll be in up or down position. So that's the x. The y should be similar. Let's look at for yb and yb here. So though it'll be a bit different, because the y will be a random number between 0 and 600 if it's below 1, if it's below 2, there is one. So below 2, it will be like that. If it's exactly if it's not, if it's 2 it will be up, and this could be like this. So it's the same thing, but the R&D minus 2. So if it's 0, it will become negative 2048. If it will 1, it will be negative 1024. But if it's 2, it will be 0, which makes it 0. And if it's 3, it will become 3 minus 2, which is 1024. So the same here. But okay, this actually, instead of smaller than 2, this is smaller than actually no, it's fine, it's fine. Though this is also not 1024, this is supposed to be 600. Yeah. Enemy position factor 2 with XP and Y. Okay. And then we also have enemy dot I'm pretty sure and I've forgotten the I could just look at this. Movement, there we go. Movement. So enemy dot movement equals a factor 2, and in this one is based on the opposite of this. So we want the enemy to move. If it's on left, it'll want to move right. If it's on right, we want to move left. So so we want to move if it's hold on, I want to see Godot's what was it? I forgot the name of the function. Trinary. Ternary, yeah. Let's look at messy, tidier. Oh, it's like this. That's it. Okay. So we want to put ternary here. So x is 0. If R&D is bigger than 1, else one. Yeah, jadi kalau misalnya it's so if R&D is bigger than 1, so if it's 2 or 3, we'll not move left or right. But if it is, we will move left or right based on this. So if 1 times -1 times hold on, oh, never mind. Oh, hold on. 1 plus, there we go, 1 plus -2 times R&D. Yeah, so if R&D is bigger than 1, it'll just simply become 0. If it's not, it will either be 0, it will be 1 if it's left. We want it to go 1 if it's left and -1 if it's right. The way I do it is by this. So 1 plus -2 minus R&D. If the R&D is 0, aka we are on left, we want to go right, so it will become 1. And if it's right, we will have -2 times 1 plus 1. So 1 minus -2, 1 plus -2 will be -1. The same thing should occur here. Okay, this is kind of messy. If R&D is smaller than 2, and if not, so we want this to not move y. Yeah, we want the y not to move here. We want just the x to move. Hold on. No. Yeah, we want here. The y doesn't move here because the x will be the one that moves. So, but like if it's here, the same thing happens. 1 plus -2 times R&D. This is, but this is more so R&D minus 2. This is long. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, if this is if R&D is smaller than 2, we just go 0, so it doesn't move at all if it's from left or from right. But if it's from up or from down, we are going to first off minus 2 it. If it's 0, which means it's from up, we are going to the same thing as before. Let's actually just play this. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Nothing, really. What's wrong here? Time minus equal enemy time minus enemy timer. Also, we are going to have a debug process. Where's where's the debug? Print. Okay, so print spawn. Okay, so Oh, there's something spawning. Is there something wrong here? Let's try a spawn at. So we have this, all of this, and then we have spawn at, and then plus enemy time, enemy scene, XP plus YP. Okay, let's try it. Oh, what's this? Invalid operands. How do you Godot print? Actually, I think there's like also this, right? Player head is this. There's only one. Wait, that's actually correct. Is it correct? No. Let's try this again. Oh. None of the enemies are spawning, so something's going wrong here. Yeah, something's still wrong. I don't know what's going on here. Do we need to add child, all of them? Uh, okay, we probably need that, yeah. Let's try this. Go game script, and every time enemy timer, yada yada yada. This is disgusting. Okay. Not turret, enemy. There we go. And then let's... Yes, yes. Okay, yeah. This is... Yeah, we have done it. We have made enemies. Right, but the enemies are actually like colliding with them. That's actually kind of fun though. Hold on, let's just put this here. XM equals this. Yeah, there we go. Speed is enemy speed. So we go for enemies speed sum equals let's just put a random range from, let's start it with 1 at the slowest and let's put 4 as fast. Let's try this. Wait. Yeah, there we go. We have. The problem is now. The enemies are getting the coin. So on coin body entered. If body dot. Actually no. If body dot name, can I say that? Player. So let's try that. This should make it so. Whew. Yeah, this shouldn't. Hold on. There's no clear indication yet. That's me. Yeah, there we go. It doesn't. That's actually made it so we have like an. But like we've done it. We've made a. We have finished the goal, I guess. So we have actual generation. Oh, we haven't done health. Okay. Let's just put health in real quick. Let's go to game. Okay. Okay. Let's just. Can we add signal? How do we add signal again? Project. Or do I just write it down? So there's like the when player got hit, right? There's the emit signal. Let's try that. So what happens now? To the enemy. So if we save this, does it now have the test node? No. Actually, we shouldn't put Q free out. Should put that before. What's this? Oh, this is a debug. I don't know what. Hold on, let's look at the signals. Signal. Godot says using signals. Let's just. Right, we have the scene, add child node, button, whatever. Okay, node pressed. Okay, I get it. I get that. Custom signals, there we are. Oh, we put a signal, okay, there we go. So we put a signal, surf collision, hit player. Enemy hit player. And let's have this signal. And we can add this to the game script. So we have all of that. I don't. So again, during the process, if a thing happens, if the enemy, hold on. Now so coin is how we have the, okay. So for health equals 3, for health text equals how do you get the coin? Get node. Okay. Get node. Let's duplicate. Can I duplicate? There we go. This is health. The exact same, but instead of scores, health. Okay, so alt text, we are going to copy this and then delete this and then that. Alright. So we have the health and then health text dot text st. How do the coin work again? The text, yes. str of health. Okay, and then if so we have this, we are going to connect it to script. Hold on, how do I get it? Hold on. How do I get this? Yeah, how do I get this? How do I get the signal? let's look at this. Yeah, this. Connect to them like any other. So you have the button. Wait, how do you... Hold on. Godot get signal from different scene. Oh. Oh wait, there's a group here. You can use signals with arguments. Okay. I don't get it. How? There's no groups though, right? So how do you get this? The on. Uh. How do you connect that? Okay. UI and player. Okay. Oh, we have the connect. Is there a connection? Ah, this. Okay, okay. So we have the connect. Okay, okay. Uh, player access the node of health change, and I guess so this player in the connect health change self on player. Ah, okay. So we have this. So enemy hit player. So we have the shout enemy dot connect enemy hit player on enemy hit. And so we can put func on enemy hit. We can do the same thing. We can have the health. Yes. This one and health text equals str health. Done. That should oh wait, we should probably let's look at the inspector. Where's the big? How do you line center uppercase? What the apa ini? Ntar dulu lah, nanti aja dulu. Clear. Let's just ignore that. I'm just pretend that all of these make sense. So we have the 3. There we go. And if I hit the health gens. So we have the enemy that are generating. We have generating enemy. We have health. We have whoa. Hold on. Why is it -2? There we go. So we only hit. So that somehow didn't get it. That's not it. The enemy script. If collision dot name player that's wrong. There we go. So shun now, it shun. What? Okay, it destroyed. It got destroyed. Collision.collider.name. There we go. Alright, so oh, there we go. So yeah, nothing happens when enemy, and we have health. We do not have game overs yet, but yeah, we basically have oh, ouch. Okay, the reason I want to still have the collision enemy dying when colliding is just because it's funny. So but yeah, that's the game, I guess. Right now we have completed everything we have in this goal. Probably could be better here. So I guess next time we will have maybe maybe more than just a game over. We have a play. We have a, I guess the next time will be main menu, new and plus game overs. Maybe a bit more depending on how long this take. But I honestly I'm actually surprised how long this one take. I thought the enemy generation would be not that difficult, and it kind of is. Well, I don't know. I didn't see. I didn't check the time until now. But I think the health one is actually kind of weird because the signal thing type of it. The signal is quite weird. But I guess that's it. I actually I really enjoy all of that. It's a bit. I'm not sure how boring this is, but honestly, even if it's like there's nobody watching and it's just myself, I think this is a nice way to document everything, so that's so that I could, maybe look at this stream once again and like try to reference that when I'm I don't know, not streaming and but still wanting to learn Godot. But I guess that's it. So thank you for watching. If anyone's watching right now, I'll see you. Maybe I'll see you soon. Maybe. This is still Friday. When Thursday here. So yeah, Thursday. So maybe Saturday, depending on what do I want. Maybe Friday, maybe Saturday. Anyway,